Hey everyone, wanted to do a quick little haul right here for some interesting stuff that I bought. I spent $325 on everything you see here, plus a couple of flight simulator games, and then two HP 48GX calculators. Both the calculators already sold. One sold for $190, one sold for $140. So those both went out, whatever it ends up being, $330 there. So made a lot of our money back already. Once we take out the fees and everything, we'll still be in the hole a little bit, but let me know if you guys know anything about this. This is Drake. I think it's a ham radio. You can see here, this is the main part, the transceiver Tr-7. There's the power supply. Pretty good shape. When I hook up the two together, the power does work. It seems to be okay, but I can't test it beyond that. It also came with an MS4 speaker at the bottom, an MS7 speaker, and a P75 phone patch. And it came with a little microphone, like a CB style one. I already sold that for $20 shipped, untested, so that sold pretty quick. All this stuff, I think I have listed for $1,400 maybe or something like that. In separate, all these ones on the left are all separately listed. These two are together. And then also I have this Electcraft KX1. I have no idea really what it is, but I have it, and that came with it too in the $325 lot. This is listed for $400 by itself. I already have a $300 offer on it, but the way the person put the comment on the offer, it just rubbed me the wrong way. They're like, "This better work. I don't need any paperweights," you know. And I was like, "It's listed untested. It says it powers up. I don't know anything further. Just." I don't know, maybe I'm just being real picky, but the comment just kind of like, you know, you're getting what I'm telling you you're getting. You know, I told you it's untested. You know, I don't know anything else about it. So I just kind of rubbed me the wrong way a little bit. So I haven't accepted it yet. I might still. I still have a little bit of time, but that offer came in almost instantly. So I wanted to see also if anybody else made an offer on it, but we'll see how we do. Someone did sell this little power supply and transceiver setup for like 800 plus shipping, I think 880 or plus shipping, something like that. So they did make some good money on it. That's why I paid up for it. Again, I've already made most of my money back on the calculators and that mic that sold. Plus I have some flight simulator stuff that should sell for $20 here and there. So when it's all said and done, I definitely won't lose. The question is, this could be like the highest dollar sale if these two sell. I got them listed for $1,200, I think. Or best offer ship. So I'm hoping to get like 1,000 or maybe 900 shipped on those two. That'd be awesome. And then hopefully the rest will sell, you know, for 50 or 60 bucks for each of those. And then hopefully the thing on the top will get like, you know, at least 200, 300. So pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoy. If you know anything about this, feel free to educate me because I'm not an expert. I just saw it, did a little research. I knew a little bit about it, enough to know that it was valuable. My research showed that it was really valuable, and then I kind of had to negotiate the price a little bit, but I got a good deal. And because I knew the calculators were in there and I knew they sold well, I knew about those, it made it a better deal because I'm like, I can make all my money back on those hopefully, and then this is more of just only a small investment, if any. So hope you guys enjoy. Another video short, but if you know anything, let me know. Take care.